Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Adamanta 16GB DDR5 memory kit. Specifically, this is a 2x8GB kit running at a speedy 5600MHz. Now, in a world where DDR5 prices can be eye-watering, finding a kit that balances performance and affordability is key. Adamanta aims to do just that. This kit is a UDIM, unbuffered, non-ECC module, making it perfect for your everyday desktop PC or gaming rig. It operates at a CL46 latency and 1.1V, which is pretty standard for DDR5. The single-rank design with one RX16 configuration is worth noting. While dual-rank memory can sometimes offer a slight performance edge, single-rank modules like these are generally more compatible with a wider range of motherboards, especially on initial DDR5 platforms. Adamanta claims every module is fully tested, which is reassuring. They also state that their technicians can verify compatibility with your system, which is a nice touch, especially if you're unsure whether DDR5 is right for your system. Now, let's talk performance. While we didn't run extensive benchmarks in this particular overview, 5600MHz is a sweet spot for many current generation CPUs. You'll likely see a noticeable improvement over slower DDR4 or even base-level DDR5 speeds, especially in memory-intensive tasks like gaming, video editing, and content creation. The Adamanta kit is a solid option if you're looking to upgrade to DDR5 without breaking the bank. The one-year warranty is shorter than some of the bigger brands, but it still offers some peace of mind. Just make sure to double-check compatibility with your motherboard before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.